Kublai pi baro shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kibakong san mentagasngi kilong. Uwe ula bantau bun jad ki jing shitom ong ki doktor. Kibamdon ki epek la aban pendan kam de ki we ki dokumen ki bala aban penshisha baki de kinong India ban. Ra ka ONYX na ki shinrang bat ka dubak na ki kentay haka basketball jong ka KSU. To mantay ne pai shaki Khubor ke bakambnya. Ki doktor nakatunat ka kwat ka khia. Kilayat ho baka jingdon ki we haka met kakta ka kwat ka khia bat thauru bonjat ki jing shitom. Habakentu ya ki kemi ki kpa banyalam di idawai we ki khon haka arpusau tarik mentau benai na kalyang I doktor Badira Maulong, State Nodal Officer, Child Health and Immunization, Badi Dr. Noverina Marak, Senior Medical and Health Officer, Kilaong, Bakajing Ai Dawai We Arsen Shisnem, Yakibanadu Shisnem Hadu Kandai Snem, Kanyarab Yaki Kon Bandon Hakamet Kabakot Pakia.
Like the main objective is of this deworming day is to deworm all the children aged from 1 to 19 years. We have to make all the children worm free. The National Deworming Day is an initiative of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Like I have said, to make every child worm free. The main objective of this deworming day is to deworm all the preschool and school-aged children. Those children who are enrolled in the school and those who are not yet enrolled also, between the age of 1 to 19 years. Like for those who are enrolled in the school, we are giving this albendazole tablet in the school. But those who are not yet enrolled in the school, they are being given in the Anganwadi centers. Like why this deworming day is very much important, because like see, the children between the ages of 1 to 14 years, they are more at risk of parasitic intestinal worm in India.
Like vaccination, when we talk about vaccination for children, we don't usually give vaccination just like that. We do a proper health checkup first, whether the child is well or not. Okay, if the child is having fever, cough and cold, we don't give vaccination anymore. So same for the albendazole also, we check whether the child is healthy enough or not. Then only like we proceed to give the medicine. Okay, means this kind of medicine I'm talking. Okay, like vaccination, deworming. Like if the child is already having some diarrhea, no need to give albendazole. Okay, so let the child be okay, then he can come back to take the medicine also. That is also there. But for since your media background, so for you like that myth, no, that you are talking, so you need to clear that. You need to, like what Madam have said, na, like because of this worm infestation, what are the things can happen to the people, to the human being. Okay, like all those things she has mentioned, the symptoms, anemia, nausea, then weaknesses, then mental development delays, then physical development delays. So all those things, and nutrient absorptions reduced, and all those things can happen, which will hamper the, you know, what you call the activities of the person. If person doesn't do deworming, then the worms in the body, it will get multiplied. And when it gets multiplied, like what ma'am just now she mentioned, obstruction, intestinal obstruction, which is very dangerous. People may die also because of that.
There are emergency operations.
Emergency operations have to be conducted. So you need to make that awareness now, like you need to take this medicine, because If you don't take this medicine, then there will be multiplication of these worms in your body, which can lead to death also, because of the intestinal obstructions, because of the neurocysticercosis, because that cyst of that egg, of that worms can go up to your brain cells. So if that egg goes up to your brain cells, sometimes it's difficult. Some people, they lost life also.
Election officer jong ke election commission mentah ka singi khat phra tarik Iaiong ha ka jinga kundu obat kilat pathai Khubor ula penbena padba baka jingdon kinong thebut hapo ka Jylla NAKA benta ke election Lok Sabha kalong arpu arlak arpu 100,000 sanspa 100 nyongut habaro artliki seat kata ha Shillong batura parliamentary seat. Kajingdon kinong thebut chenrang kalong shipaulak khandai hajar sanspa khat nyongut bat kinong thebut kentei kalong khatwailak arpu nyo hajar sapu nyongut bat ki third gender laingut. Ka constituency bahedu kade ka maulai constituency na ka Shillong seat hakaba kinong thebut kidon sanpo hajar khandai spa sanpulai katba kadalu constituency na tura seat kade ka bariddu Hakajingdon ki voter arpu hajar lai spa khandai pu prangut. Kajingdon ki polling station habaro artli ki seat kalong lai hajar san spa khatar haki jaka sor kalong lai spa arpu hnriu katba haki jaka nong kendong kalong lai hajar shi spa prapo hnriu. Nakaliang CEO ula airu kajing pentip shabaro ki padba nong shong shnong ka Jylla ba kinmi shakmat bantep ya ka vote jongki. Shushu nakaliang ki bamdon epic kila ban pendon kam ban tap ya ka vote dakaba ki pendon kam daki Aadhaar card ke MGN REGA job card ka passbook ka badon lang bat ki dur ba bayat lang ba na ki bank kila ru ban pendon kam me ki health insurance smart card ka driving license lani daki pan card bat ki way de ki document ki bala ban penshisha ba ki de ki nongshong shnong jong kari India.
For the Lok Sabha elections 2024, it is for the 18th Lok Sabha. On first phase on 19th of April 2024, and voting time in Meghalaya will be 7 a.m. in morning till 4 p.m. We have total 2 Lok Sabha seats, one Shillong ST, which contain 36 assembly segments, and 2 Tura ST, which contain 24 assembly segments. There are 10 altogether candidates across the state, and 6 in the Shillong parliamentary constituency and 4 in the Tura parliamentary constituency. We are having total 22,26,567 total voters, out of which 10,99,517 male, 11,27,047 female, and 3 third gender voters. So if we see the increase in voter, that is 51,331 more voters in compared to last year's assembly election, and 3,15,195 more voters in compared to previous Lok Sabha election 2029. We are having 633 average electors per voter. So first time voters, they are 31,247. Total 11,720 PWD voters, 10,180 85 year plus voters, 5 overseas voters, 100 year plus voters are 341, and 3,884 service voters. Altogether, we are having 3,512 polling stations, out of which 326 are urban and 3,186 are rural polling stations. So we are having total 88 polling stations, all women managed, and 60 model polling stations and 10 PWD managed polling stations. So total polling stations which are not totally accessible up to the motor vehicle are number of 50, and we are having webcasting in 1,886 polling stations. Other polling stations will be covered through the video camera or micro observers and other ways. Out of total polling stations, 762 polling stations are P-2 polling stations where the polling parties are supposed to go 1 day in advance. So in all 762 polling stations, polling party has started yesterday on 17th and they reached in their respective polling station. And for other polling stations, which are around 2,750 P-1 polling station, all the polling parties are already dispatched and they are arriving in their respective polling stations. Out of total two parliamentary constituency, 33 Rambrai assembly segment, 17 Namspung polling station is having 1,274 voters in Shillong, and in Tura, that is 12 Chadmari North Tura assembly segment and having 1,324. So that is the largest PS as per number wise, and with the lowest number in the Shillong, 82 Kamsing polling station in Amlaring, where the polling party have to go by vote, and 56 Potted Sim in the Ranikor, and both are having 36 voters. And in Tura parliamentary constituency, Nari Creek polling station in Williamnagar having 85 voters is the lowest polling station in numbers. So we are having 133 polling stations altogether in network shadow areas, and total 409 polling stations are vulnerable and 29 are critical. 187 polling stations are bordering Assam and 140 polling stations are bordering Bangladesh. 128 polling parties are reaching to polling stations through the state of Assam. As per area wise, if you see the West Shillong Parliament assembly segment in the Shillong, it is having only 2 square kilometer area, and Mausenrut is the largest in area wise, having 1530 square kilometer. So as per the assembly segment wise, Dalu is having smallest number and Maulai is having the largest number of voters.
Ka ONYX ka kunhun ya lekai basketball jang kishen rang kala yora ya ka trophy kum ka nam la du hadin ba kala la ban penlim ya ka dubak e da nyau pon reu la nyau po basket ha ka jing ya lekai ya ka final jang ka match prang khasi league basketball tournament bala penyat da ka khasi students union KSU Maulai circle hamadan basketball ha Maulai nong pedeng ha ka sngi pale ka khat pratarek Iaiong hajar pusau. Kadba ka dubak e kala yora ya ka nam la du kum ka kunhun ya lekai basketball jang ki kentei hadin ba kala la ban penlim ya ka dubak b da ka san pholai la lai pon riu basket ha ka jing ya lekai ya ka final. Ya ka ni ka lumpung ya lekai basketball jang ka match prang khasi league basketball tournament hajar pusau la penha perda da president ka khasi student union Sengkme Samla Lombok Star Marngar ubala longru kumukongsan. Kila du ha ka ni ka tournament kila yo khur ya ka song pisa ka ba sao pho hajar tengka rengkat ka trophy bat ki bawan baar kila yo ra ya ka song pisa ka ba lai pho hajar tengka rengkat ka trophy. Ha ka ni ka sngi la samru ya ki khusnam shimet ha ka ba ya kam nam most valuable player na kalyang ki shenrang la yo khur da ban shadap jong ka kunhun ONYX bat na kalyang ki kentei layo khur daga larihun warjri na ka kunhun dubak e.
Game of 3 3.22. Ban kentiu kham tam ban ai musim jeki samla hagi benta repair. Nalogi kami lekai sport pakai keseng ke jupan seluruh. Di jupan seluruh wat kapuli putih. Bat hagi wei pat kikam. Namar mitrang ban yang lu jeki samla baki long diladu la kalong hakapuli putih la kalong jile kai repair. Handai kalong keke ke ba pihapan terkhat kongki samla padan ya kasap katalen ke ba boleh tersat kerpang api. Hai kendiat penai ngadang yo ini songkai barway player football ba pawa joga jala di Samla kasi dia tu ba teng udan ke jing suram bagi Samla kasi kimdan jaga jiasa kimdan jikot jumut bat kimdan jing trisitong ngim Samla duna katsak katalen ngim Samla duna ipaong ngimla balik ekakam handai bakong sandai tang jingkot jumut to ai bagadi kapateng kabadai kawai ke penta kabangi kwa bangi trang bagi Samla kasi jungi ken pendap haki caka kibakum kiwai pat ki Jylla apono is ki kenjola nganget bagi mdoduna kata hawat ki Iaiong bekasi kamdu rungkot kandiang hindrai ngasyong bosom ken khnai khamsat tengis kam balamba ki Samla ki bala banker ya ke ki bom bantoy ki bom tei ya kamet kapat hindrai terpelut ke Khuborjylla pananya patibet Baladama pi pois katong pen pois ki national level kumta ki players kamdai jinso sorong tang yaki kmi ki pa jo pi hindai ka jinso sorong gandai jaga jaj hindai urokoi lomba kini kelempung ngangat idai tangi play adin ibarat jaga nangla aban sai ki Samla ki balong sya kita ki syarat bertebe jingsa ban ong ki Samla bagi kon jong beri nyau tram bila ayah keban say ki Samla ki bantang syan bandong mangim Samla keduk la kalong ono kosa kani Khubor masmau kani Khubor menghapan saki ya kani Jylla kai final kidan subur ter ki tim ko pensno do presiden do sofa art li ki tim yoro say ki bampoy sini katong syagni ka final yoro say ki dan jok snoram andai ka jingi sembenta kala dai lupa ka jingjok bat kadai sibna ka jing ai mesin ban ngai skam ki Islam ki banwan Isang selak pasaki bagian mi sibun bak ki kenhun balak bani sibenta bat kenlak pansai jiki Samla kentai bersenrang bagi long kiban wa ban pau haki lempung repair kam tam kemi benkot tengah pok Jylla handai kemi lenti bagi lak patang san sekwai pat ki Jylla kam tam magneri India brokoi kadai Khubor ngakwa ban pensau ban pasar lang Chicken tea na katin kam tam ya ka jinglang juman hake imlang salang ni bisni aya pi ki Samla penra alam pensemlam lagi cingcong cingit khli bangong min yakun persa ya kita jing sneu ki roslang pante ikan jeri ikun Samla bisni ka jing ima ba ka jing tiang galong utrok roslang besencar omtang ki Samla sendrang lagi Samla kan thai rukum chu lamba kon kini ki lempung kam tam lamba pi ki Samla haki senong kita kaseng ngecupan kecing terlang buat betul senong kiseng Samla ditang kita kawai ketong kecing terlang buat kecing bak hilang ngecam bang salah berat dan kong jadi jik sneu kipas senang ban kejap ban pentren jadi Samla hakelen jong operasi terap kata kali ketong jungi ki Samla ngecam balamba aku kene kesengi ke baong pamtangan saki mendo ulang gila aduk hendai ngin simru bangendai geladu ban panba ya ke imlang salang kham tam ngin simru kum te geladu ban panba ya geri bakajat nu bagawai karpang ki Samla kham tam ki plias bat baro badan saudong sokun chong kene kemadan kedai kemadan red la banong kadon pat sagwai pat kemadan bakame kata mungkin syakri ya kira melang salang bat men syakri ru ya kira bagi cak ru boy ke Shillong kum ki player basketball ne player football ke laban kudno hakno makanya anda karta kala he Rai balong players jong gajak men reu idon kam ya kum kita ru sama kiban syakri hok lakalong hakno galiang ru makin kok kerwiang ngakar khu gedo ya bro asli gitim makin peni resap kapong kensadan ke bajok kensadan ke baram Henry kabakadu golong kasap ke jompi ikwa pani bat ikwa ro penpoi syakwe bat kecili bekame ublei trai kenzar nang
Joey Thapti में सीरिया का दुबा एक बार बना सब दाम नाम Teachers yang masuk pelan kasih kebab, kebab, kebab. Teachers yang Onyx Basketball Club, kebab, kebab, kebab. Kau free kamu dong kan? Di hati lang sebanyak sok bisa balai wajar kerana sam. Warna ngesairo.
Bad kitu ki Khubor nglapoy kapakun tat hadu bangin daya champion Khublei Shibun.